Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner. And today I have got an Amazon unboxing review, but I've already took it out of the Amazon box. So as you can see, it is a soap making kit. But before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you. It really does mean a lot to me that I have reached over 500 subscribers because I never figured I would. So, all right. So this comes to me from a company called Zenseme, Zenseme. And this is a company on Amazon, and they sent this to me for review to show to all of y'all. And this is a soap making kit for adults. This is not a children's kit. This is an adult kit. But you can make your own soap with everything that's in here. You don't have to go purchase nothing. Everything you need is in here. So they sent me 2 kits, and I think they are the exact same thing, but I'm going to set one over to the side, and these things are kind of heavy, but we're going to open one up and see what this is about. And I just want to say thank you to them for sending this to me. I really do appreciate it. And I really think y'all are going to like it. And it comes in this real pretty box. And it's, I'm afraid now if I turn that over, since I took that out, it's going to open. So let me bring y'all up just a tad. But it says, with 100% natural essential oils, soap making kit. It is from Zenseme. And this weighs 3.3 pounds. So it says on the side, it says, create your own homemade luxury soap. All right. And we're just going to look. They've got, you know, the warnings and stuff on there. And then on the back, it shows everything that comes in the kit. It's got 1 durable, heat-resistant silicone mold. It's got 2 pounds of super nourishing shea butter soap base. It's got 6 pure and 100% natural essential oils. It's got 4 color dyes to make endless color combinations. It has got 0.32 ounces of mixed dried flowers. It's got 9 wrap papers, labels to create your perfect homemade gift, and it has a silicone spatula and instructions. And it looks like we have got jasmine, frankincense, lavender, tea tree, lang lang, and geranium. And it tells a little bit about each one of those oils. All right, so I'm going to set that to the side, and then let's open this up. All right, so they also, on their website, they've also got, oh my God, that smells good. There's your silicone spatula. But they've also got to where you can make bath bombs. They have got healing crystals. They got a lot of really neat stuff, and I will definitely put the links in my description box. And like I said, it comes from Amazon. So here is your thank you and the instructions on how to do this. And here's your wraps so that when you get done, you can wrap these around your bars of soap. And it says homemade for you. Those are pretty. I wish y'all could smell because they smell so good. So here's 4. And we have got, let me see. These are the colors. So we've got red, green, blue, and yellow. All right, so I'm going to set those right there. Then here's the silicone mold, and it's got, if you can see, it's got these shapes in here, or not shapes, designs. There's a butterfly and a heart. There's a flower, a tree. I think that might be the sun, and then just some whatever that is. So that's your mold. This is your brick of shea butter. And this smells. No, it don't neither. It don't smell. But you can see what it says. That's a big old brick. And then you've got your dried flowers. I'm not going to open that. But you can see, it looks like there's rose petals. And this is what I'm smelling. Because that smells good. So there's those. And then in here is your essential oils. So let's look and see what they look like. Well, there we go. I really like the way that they have got this packaged. It's very fancy, I guess you could say. Isn't that pretty? So here's your essential oils, all 6 of them, in these little bottles. Let's see. And they're in there good and snug, so they're not gonna, they weren't gonna fall out or, you know, move around or nothing. All right, so this is geranium. And I'm just gonna see what it smells like. Oh my gosh, y'all, that smells good. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I will definitely be trying this out. That is so nice. But they have got their logo on everything, so that's pretty neat. But yeah, this is really nice. But yeah, like I said, they have got bath bombs to where you can make bath bombs. I'd like to try those. That would be pretty cool. And they've got the healing crystals, and those are so pretty, y'all. So pretty. Let me put that. But yeah, it just says you cut the butter. You cut the shea butter, and then you're going to melt it, and then you're going to mix it, then you're going to pour it, and then you put your finishing touches. So it's not like it's not hard. And it's not like there's a ton of steps. And I think really the only thing, and the melting, look, all you got to do is put that in the microwave or a saucepan. I think it'd probably be easier to do it in a microwave. This wouldn't take long at all to make. So, yeah, y'all need to go check this out. But like I said, this is called Zenseme on Amazon, and I will put a link on there for this. And this kit is $43.99 on sale right now. Okay, I think it's like $60, I think, but right now they've got it on sale for $43.99. So what do y'all think? I think this is super nice. Super nice. And I am so thankful that they sent this to me. I appreciate it very much so. So I will leave the links to their company and to this in my description box. That way y'all can go check this out. And yeah, I think this is really nice. Very pretty packaging. The box is gorgeous. I mean gorgeous. I wouldn't even want to throw that box away. It's very pretty. So, all right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this. And again, I just want to thank Zenseme for sending this to me. And I hope y'all enjoyed this. And until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.